Hello to you all and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perry's Mansfield. I'm MyKey. Today's walk around video is this beautiful magnetic grey 1 litre 100 brake horsepower EcoBoost titanium with unmarked polished faced alloy wheels all around, parking sensors around the rear and privacy glass. There's your near side view. Absolutely stunning car. Take a look inside. Beautiful fabrics with no odours of any kind of pets or smoking inside. Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back to aid in keeping babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. Eco settings control, traction control and stop start technology control. 6-speed gearbox to give you fantastic fuel economy. 12-volt power supply and USB connectivity, which will actually enable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here we've got heated front seats, heated steering wheel, air conditioning and automatic temperature control with heated front windscreen. Audio including DAB radio, phone, navigation, mobile application downloads and settings menu, push button stop start, lane keeping aid, speed limiter and cruise control, enhanced voice command control for both Bluetooth and Bluetooth audio. On the right hand side there on the door we've got power to front windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. So travel along to see us folks, it very much will be worth your while, not only because we scrutinise the market on a daily basis to make sure you're getting a bargain, but the car's been prepared by Ford main dealer technicians and of course our award winning aftercare customer service. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye for now.